Are you looking for an effective solution for roof waterproofing? We present Rollgum Fix, a self-adhesive EPDM membrane of high quality, offering exceptional durability, great elasticity and flexibility, with easy and fast installation. Thanks to its self-adhesive layer, it saves installation and drying times as well as material waste compared to traditional adhesives. Rollgum Fix provides excellent adhesion on all types of surfaces, such as roofs finished with bituminous membranes, as shown in this video, as well as roofs with PR thermal insulation, pavement, metal sheets, sandwich panels, wood, or other construction materials, both for new job or rehabilitation. It is presented in convenient rolls of 1.5 meters wide by 10 meters long, which allows you to take the material to any roof by elevator or stairs, and easy handling on site with a single operator. This is especially important in rehabilitations, where in addition, Rollgum Fix will help from having to remove and transport debris, due to its ability to install it on the existing roof. For its application, follow these simple steps. Make sure that the area to be waterproofed is clean, dry and free of dust or grease. Unroll and position the EPDM membrane in its final place with the white self-adhesive face towards the surface. Remove the protective film to the middle of the membrane and adhere that part. Remove the other half of the film under the membrane to carry out the adhesion. Exercise pressure with a roller over the entire waterproof surface. For membrane seams, overlap a minimum of 10 centimeters and apply pressure with the roller. To secure the seam, apply the Bond 007 sealant. With Rollgum Fix, you will enjoy lasting and effective waterproofing thanks to its resistance to aging, extreme weather conditions and exposure to UV rays. This will help you reduce long-term costs by avoiding costly repairs and replacements. For more information, visit our website.